Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. It is the second Wacky Wednesday pour that we're going to be doing today, and what I've decided to use today is the bottom of this egg cup holder, one of those big ones that holds 24 eggs. I've cut it in half and I'm actually going to put the paint into here. So we've got 10 compartments, so actually going to be doing this with 10 different colors. So the front 5 are just normal colors and the back 5 are going to be metallics. The colors that I'm pairing together are this crimson red along with the silver. We've got a nice purple that's going with the copper. We've got an orange that I've made just sort of a light creamy copper color. We've got the cadmium yellow, which is going with the bronze, and the last one we've got is emerald green that's going with the gold. So let me first get my white down. I always like to do white because it tends to bring the colors out a bit better. But let me just do this quickly. I'll forward through the video and then we shall return. Right, there we go guys. The base layer is down. I'm just going to pour in my paints now into their little compartments. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see that from there. I'll bring it up. So we've got the two layers. The ones at the back are the metallics and the ones at the front are just the normal colors, and I've put a little bit of silicone oil into the front ones. So right, let's see if we can figure out how to do this. Right guys, I'm just going to fill them up quickly and then I'll do the second lot. Let us continue. Actually going to start from this side here. Okay, there we go guys. Get my gloves on and we can tilt it and see what's going to happen. I've got a feeling there's going to be a bit much white in there, but let's find out. Made some interesting patterns, that's for sure. Right, here we go. Okay, there we go guys. Well, it's turned into a real rainbow, hasn't it? It's very interesting to say the least. I guess there's a lot of white in there. Let's get my gloves off. It's a lot of white in there making those white lines. But I guess that was to be expected. I'm wondering if I shouldn't do something to it just to try and mix it up. First let me flame it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I'm not sure what to make of it. I like this section here. It's got the nice bands of colour. Not loving the sort of the green here. Wonder whether I should balloon it. Let me see if I can have a balloon. Very handy. Okay, well sometimes when things turn out sort of not perfect, I like to get the old balloon out. That's maybe a bit hard. Let me just soften it a bit. And see if we can get some nice effects going on here. So I'm just going to... Right, this needs to get a little bit clean, and what I'm actually going to do is just tilt it again and try and get rid of this bottom corner down here because I don't like those colors. Okay, well, that didn't really turn out too well. Not beautiful portrait, very messy. Maybe did too many colors. I should have maybe alternated just with 2 or 3 colors and gone through it. But I wonder if we can salvage this in any way. Let me think. Perhaps. So I've just mixed up a little bit of Floetrol with some of the leftover paint. I'm going to see what happens if I blow it now with my hairdryer and just to finish it off as a Dutch pour. I'm not sure whether it will work or not, but yeah, we can't do any worse. So let's give it a go. Red Floetrol mixture in the middle, and let's give that a go. That's why we use an old hairdryer. Well, that has just turned brown. This just keeps going from reasonable to worse. Now I'm just left with a brown mess with lots of red in the middle. Bits of white where the hairdryer hit it, so yeah, it's not turned out how I wanted, but I guess that's what Wacky Wednesdays are for. Well, that's the second Wacky Wednesday, the second failure. I guess too many colors equals brown at the end of the day. And that's the lesson I need to take away from this particular pour. And keep it simple, either keep it in the same color range or just complementary colors that don't combine to make brown. So guys, I wouldn't advise doing this. So I do it so that you don't have to. So yeah, I will be doing a regular pour later in the week just to make something that looks pretty. This is going to be scraped right now and I'll use the canvas for the next time. But guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The more subscribers we get, the more people can learn about our wonderful art. So yeah, hope you're having a good week and I'll catch you at the next pour. Cheers.